Namaste everyone, welcome to Englishhiscool. I hope you are all doing well and everything is going very smoothly in your life. So thanks to the God for that. Today I have a lesson to tell. So let's get started for that. And I am going to talk about confusing preposition. There are many confusing prepositions, so I will discuss only one because these are really very confusing. So don't say to anyone he's out of work at 6 o'clock. Yes, you cannot use out of work for this situation. Like he's out of work. You can say that. You can say that, but it means something different. If I say he's out of work, that means he does not have a job, he's unemployed, he's out of work. So what do you say if the person is finishing their work day? Then we can say he gets off work. Yeah, also we can say he gets off. Yeah, I get off work. Yeah, you get off. Like, I'm sorry, like he's working right now, but he gets off at 6 o'clock. Yeah, he gets off work at 6 o'clock. Both are correct, you can use it. If I say person is off work or on work, what do you think, which one is correct to tell? No, it does not work this way. We can say a person is if a person is at work, they are working, yeah, you are working, yeah, I am working, he's working. Like he's working right now, but he gets off work at 6 o'clock. So this is the way, this is the correct sentence to tell someone's work. But you cannot use he is out of work. This is incorrect to explain someone's work. I hope you can understand it. And I told you it's confusing. So what about school? How can you use for school? Yes, for school it is correct. For school you can use out of, but for work you cannot. Like the students are at school right now, but they get out at 3 p.m. Here you can use out, but for work it's incorrect, but for school it's correct. I told you it's confusing, but I think it's confusing. So just remember one thing: for someone's work, you don't use he's out of work at 6 o'clock. He gets off work at 6 o'clock. But for school, you can use that. I hope you can understand. If it is a little hard to understand, then watch again. And thank you to watch my video till the end. I hope you can understand that, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up if it helped you and you enjoyed it. So okay, bye bye.